Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into setting up a nonprofit donation tracker in Airtable. This is an efficient way to keep track of your donations and ensure transparency for your organization. The first step is to create a new base. Navigate to your Airtable homepage, hit the Add a Base button, and select Start from Scratch. This is the foundation of your donation tracker. It's like a database where all your donation entries will be stored. Now that we've done that, let's set up our first table for donor information. Click on the Add a Table button and name it Donor Info. Here, you'll record the details of your donors. This is critical for acknowledging contributions and keeping your donors engaged. Next up, let's add some fields. You'll need name, email, address, and donation amount. To add a field, simply click on the plus button at the end of the row and fill in the details. This helps us because it builds a comprehensive profile of each donor and their contribution. The reason we do this is to ensure that we have a complete record of all donations and donors. It also makes it easier to send out thank you notes, receipts, and promotional materials for future campaigns. For the next step, let's create a linked record. We'll connect the donor info table to another table called Donations. This is done by clicking on the plus again, but this time selecting Linked Record and specifying the Donations table. Let me explain why this matters. Linked records allow us to connect related information. This way, we can see which donations came from which donors at a glance. Finally, we need to set up a way to keep track of the total donations. For this, we'll use a roll-up field. Click on plus, select Roll-up, and specify the donation amount field from the Donations table. This works by automatically summing up all the donation amounts, giving us real-time insights into our fundraising progress. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Airtable is consolidating all your data, linking related fields, and calculating sums automatically. It's a powerful tool that can make managing donations much easier and more efficient. And voila, that's how you set up a nonprofit donation tracker in Airtable. It's a robust, customizable solution that can make a world of difference in managing your nonprofit's donations. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time for more practical guidance.